The Y-axis upgrade kit for the Kobra 3 Max offers 3 different options. The only differences are whether linear guide rails are included and the brand of the rails. The installation method is the same for all options. 1. Y-axis upgrade bracket, without guide rails. This includes the extrusion, connectors, small brackets, support plates, and a screw kit. If you choose this option, you will need to prepare or purchase 2 sets of compatible linear guide rails separately. The required specification is MGN 9H1R 500mm. 2. Y-axis standard guide rail kit based on the first option. This kit includes 2 sets of standard linear guide rails. 3. Y-axis HIWIN guide rail kit based on the first option. This kit includes 2 sets of HIWIN linear guide rails. 1. Among the 4 connectors, one is different and has an extra threaded hole. 2. Use M6x20 screws to fix the connectors to both ends of the extrusion. Please note that the side with the large rounded corner should face upward. Three. Remove the screws securing the bottom cover. 4. Open the cover, remove the glue securing the fan connector. Then carefully unplug the connector and remove the cover. Five. From the bottom, remove the screws securing the extrusion and the ground wire. Six. Carefully unplug the Y-axis motor cable. Seven. Remove the screws securing the heated bed cable. Eight. Press the clips on the plastic housing and remove the front and rear covers. This step may require some force, and the clips may be damaged. However, even if 1 or 2 clips are damaged, it can still be reinstalled later. 9. Remove the build plate and keep it safely aside. 10. Remove the screws securing the heated bed and keep them for later use. (11) Remove the entire heated bed assembly. 12. Remove the screws securing the support plate and set it aside. 13. Loosen the screws of the belt tensioner. 14. Hold the belt tensioner and remove both ends of the belt. 15. Remove the belt fixing plate along with the belt and set them aside. 16. Remove the screws securing the front Y-axis extrusion. 17. Remove the screws securing the rear Y-axis extrusion. 18. Loosen the screws of the rear sheet metal, do not remove them completely. 19. Remove the entire Y-axis extrusion. 20. Remove the carriage plate from the extrusion. 21. Note that the different connector must be installed in the designated position, front left of the machine. 22. Place the new extrusion in position and secure it to the machine with M6x20 screws. Do not fully tighten the screws yet. (23) Loosen the T-nuts on the two small brackets. 24. Attach them to the extrusion, and fix the other end with M3x18 screws. 25. Secure the machine's ground wire to the connector. 26. Place the linear rail onto the extrusion. 27. Fix it with M3x18 screws. You may print some alignment jigs to assist during installation. "28. Remove the wheels. Note that the nuts and wheels will be reused later. 29. Use M3x5 screws to fix the support plate to the slider. 30. Place the wheel plate onto the support plate, paying attention to its orientation. 31. Use M5x18 screws to secure the inner side of the wheel plate. 32. Use M5x10 screws to secure the outer side of the wheel plate. 33. Install the belt fixing plate onto the wheel plate. But do not fully tighten it yet. (34) Route the belt around the Y-axis motor and fix both ends in the designated positions. (35) Tighten the belt tensioner screws. 36. Use M4x8 screws and M4 washers to fix the support plate to the wheel plate. At the same time, tighten the belt tensioner screws. (37) Fix the wheels and M4 non-flange nuts onto the M5x18 screws, center position of the wheel plate.
Please note that the step side of the pulley should face upward.
(38) Use M4 flange nuts on the M5x10 screws. (39) Reconnect the Y-axis motor cable. (40) Tighten the screws of the front and rear connectors. (41) Tighten the screws securing the rear sheet metal. (42) Reinstall the heated bed assembly to its original position. (43) Place the build plate back onto the heated bed. (44) Reinstall the front and rear plastic covers. (45) Plug the fan connector of the bottom cover back into the mainboard. 46. Reattach the bottom cover to the machine. Be careful not to pinch any wires. (47) Secure the heated bed cable back to its original position.